Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are recreating the sad glam clown. So if you would like to keep watching, stick around.
Alright guys, so let's kind of talk about the inspo for this look. When I was thinking about Halloween this season, I was thinking of more glam looks that allowed me to be creative and that weren't so high maintenance as far as different things that I needed to do with latex. So I looked at the Wet n Wild campaigns and I saw the ones that I thought were easy to recreate, but that were going to be a challenge to give a unique spin, like my own personal spin on this. So when I saw the clown, I was super inspired. I had never really done the lash underneath. As I started this journey creating this look and looking at the picture and the tutorial, I was challenged because I felt like, you know, that point in the look look when you're like, I don't know if we're gonna make it to where I wanna be. But we trusted the process. I cleaned up the look and I added the glam. I tested out a couple of things that I thought I wanted to do differently. For example, these creams, I really wanted to see, do they work on the eyes? Can they work on the skin? Are they gonna be a greasy mess? And I am pleased to tell you that through this scary journey, we got to the end and they work. I am super, super excited to share with you that these I would recommend past the Halloween and festival looks, that I can actually incorporate them to my makeup routine, and I really enjoy them. I'm super inspired to continue to create looks with these products just to kind of play around further, but I really, really enjoyed the turnout. Bottom lashes, who knew, right? Who knew? Glitter, I love it. I like the rhinestones. Overall, all of these products really surprised me in a good way with lasting power and just the look. Like, can we not have enough of the sad clown? Glam, sad clown. Yes, yes, yes. Right here. I don't even know what's happening right here, but I love it. So I'm super excited for the final turnout of this look, and I hope that you enjoy and recreate it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on all my social media platforms at MUA Karla Trevino, where I share with you makeup tips and tricks, fashion, and lifestyle, because we all want to look good on a budget. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.